Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another episode of Flight Deck. It must be Christmas because I'm having another crack at a festive build. It's been a busy month too, with a surprise announcement and plenty of new kits landing on workbenches everywhere. First up, let's take a look at our final secret release of the year, the Bristol Bulldog Mk.IIA in 1/48 scale. The Bristol Bulldog Mk.IIA is a secret release that's sure to inspire aviation modelers. With 3 different scheme options included, you can finish your 48th scale kit in a variety of ways. A gleaming silver steed flown by some of the most capable and intrepid young men Britain could call upon, the Bristol Bulldog was one of the most important British aircraft of the interwar period. Back when powerful biplane fighters truly ruled the skies. The kit features 138 parts, 3 scheme options, and is available now. Now onto my festive build. This year I wanted to challenge myself by building a kit using only what's in the box. In previous years I've leaned quite heavily on Humbrol sprays, which are great, but I always felt like I was cutting a few corners. If you watch my past Christmas builds, you know I like adding a festive twist, and this year I also wanted to try something new. I decided to have a go at weathering the Sherman Firefly starter set. As I've probably mentioned before, I'm still very much a beginner, despite this being my 4th Christmas build in a row. One of my favourite things about Airfix is the community, and I would genuinely love to hear your tips and tricks for next time. In 2026 I want to push my skills further, and I'd love to do that with help from you at home. I'm thinking we could build a kit together over several months. I can let you know what I'm working on next, and we can all improve together in the comment sections. The second challenge I set myself was completing the kit in a single day. Essentially, if you got this kit on Christmas morning, you could have it built and looking festive by the end of the day. And if you fancy having a go at this build or something similar, it's not too late to pick up a starter set and give it a try, ready for Christmas. To finish it all off, I used Humbrol weathering powders to create the snow effect on top, along with a dark panel wash to add a slightly muddy, winter-worn look. Well, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you've got any ideas for what my big 2026 build should be, I'd love to hear those too. Now, speaking of Christmas, the final delivery dates are fast approaching. If you want your stockings positively overflowing with Airfix goodies, UK click and collect orders must be placed by the 21st of December, no later than 11:59 PM. And UK express shipping by the 22nd of December, 11:59 PM. If you're stuck for gift ideas, there are plenty of fun bundles available on the site that spread the Airfix fun across the whole family. There are also lots of great 3-for-2 deals on starter sets and quick build kits. I'll leave a link to the bundle page in the description below. Finally, we've had a few new kits arrive that are well worth a mention. The Supermarine Spitfire Mk.IIA in 1/48 scale. The Western Lynx AH7 is now in stock. That's all we have time for in this month's episode of Flight Deck, but I'll see you again very soon at the end of the year for our annual look back. But in the meantime, have a very Merry Christmas. Nathan, over and out.